What I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to smoke them with this lovely piece of gadget which I have. It's called a smoking gun. Now what you have to do is I'm just going to put a few of these chips in here. I've created this little smoke box over here where I'm going to deposit these peppers in here and then just leave a little of this. Okay, switch it on. Light up these chips. And here you have this smoke which is getting into this chamber. Now, as these are getting completely covered with smoke, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this off, take this pipe out, and seal this completely. So while these are happening, let's get the prep for our filling inside. So we have हमारे प्यारे spring onions, okay, यानी के हरे प्याज. उसको हम हरे प्याज को अभी थोड़ा chop कर लेंगे. About 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. About half a corn on the cob should be great. Let's get the cooking process started. Superb. Now, it's been about 5 or almost 8 to 10 minutes since we have these smoked. Let's take these out. Wow, look at them. They are like still smoking and it is awesome. So I've got about a tablespoon of olive oil in here. Okay. तो हमने अभी हमारे हरे प्याज को अंदर डालना है और उसके बाद हमें गार्लिक को भी डालना है उसके साथ. Lightly saute this and then I'm going to put in the corn kernels. Superb, superb. So about 1 jalapeno chili. After chopping it up, I would get about 1.5 tablespoons. Halka sa namak. And just a dash of this jalapeno juice. 1 teaspoon. Then I'm going to put literally like 1 big heapful. I would say about 40 to 50 grams of these black beans in here as well. Awesome. Just mash a little bit so that the beans get thoda sa puree hoenge. Ab chopped dhania, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro in here as well. Filling, done. Switch it off. And then add some grated cheddar cheese, about 30 to 40 grams, into this, just like this, and just quickly give it a mix. Voila! Right in here. Then I'm going to put like a tablespoon of these panko breadcrumbs in here. Let this rest here. And let's get the peppers going. Wow, smoky! A couple of minutes in preheated oven at full blast, 220 degrees, and we shall be rocking.